This Mash Bite will explore the early years tools and resources available within Purple Mash and Mini Mash to engage and inspire learners, promote progress, and aid transition from early years to Key Stage 1, whilst also demonstrating the content available to you as Early Years Coordinator to help effectively lead this phase at your school. Within Purple Mash, you can explore the Early Years content area called Mini Mash from the main homepage, either by selecting the Early Years egg-shaped button from the top of the screen here, or via the product switch icon in the top right corner. This is where you'll find a purpose-built interactive learning area designed for children ages 3+ to digitally engage with activities, quizzes and games that have been organised into curriculum areas for them to explore. The activities within Mini Mash allow children to creatively develop their fine and gross motor skills, develop early speaking and listening skills, number recognition, counting, art and design, and many more. Mini Mash has been designed for children to explore as part of continuous provision within your setting, whether it is in pairs or small groups around the interactive screen, or independently children working on devices that they may have access to. When logged in as a teacher, learners can safely navigate to resources that inspire them and, should they wish, can easily save any work to their tray. This is a fantastic way to be able to evidence, print and share children's work from one centralised place. This is particularly beneficial as an early years lead, as it allows you to easily assess, access and monitor learning within the EYFS phase at your school or nursery. You can benefit from using the most common early years themed resources by scheduling topics to be displayed within your Mini Mash platform. You can change these daily, weekly or termly depending on your requirements. You can also create your own topics to share these with your learners to aid any bespoke learning aimed at whole class, groups or individuals. This can be extremely useful if children are accessing at home with parents and carers, as they too can utilise the topics area to find out what children have been doing with you at school and can continue and practice relevant activities at home. To help provide support as to how the resources within Mini Mash help target children's early learning goals, you'll find within the teachers area guidance to show and suggest ways in which to help facilitate learning in each area of the EYFS framework. There's also a useful area within the teachers section designed to provide information and guidance as to how to promote early computing skills and helpful advice as to the skills and strategies that can be utilised within Mini Mash to help with progression as children move towards Key Stage 1. You will also find within the teachers area access to blank versions of the activities and games that are so popular within Mini Mash. You can add your own content to enhance the children's learning experiences, such as making jigsaws, using familiar pictures, creating pairs games, and using images from your setting to help complement children's learning. If you would like to find out more about what has been shown in this Mash Bite, schedule a one-to-one chat to discuss things with one of our CPD team who can offer advice and guidance on how to make the most of the resources available to you. You'll find us in the Professional Development tab in the Teachers area within Purple Mash. We would love to support you and your staff in getting the most out of Mini Mash in your school or nursery.